Giraffe usually crashes when Android system web view, cached app data, or background battery restrictions break its game loading process. That means the app opens, but closes or freezes right when it tries to load ads or rewards. By the end, you'll know the exact fixes that stop Giraffe from crashing, including quick settings changes, cache resets, and reinstall steps that actually work in 2026. First thing to check is Android System WebView and Google Chrome. Giraffe relies on these to load ads and reward screens. If either one is outdated or disabled, the app can instantly crash on launch. Go to the Play Store, update both apps, then restart your phone. This alone fixes a big chunk of crash issues. Next, clear Giraffe's cache. Go to Settings Apps, Giraffe, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can break loading screens. If the app still crashes, tap Clear Storage. After that resets the app completely, so you'll need to log back in, but it removes corrupted data that cache clearing doesn't fix. Now check battery and background limits. Many phones automatically restrict apps running in the background to save power. Giraffe needs background activity to track games and rewards, so restrictions can cause freezing or sudden closing. Turn off battery optimization for Giraffe in your phone settings and allow background activity. If the app still crashes, reinstall it clean. Delete Giraffe completely, restart your phone, then reinstall from the Play Store. This replaces broken app files and fixes version mismatches that happen after updates. Also make sure your internet connection is stable. Weak or switching Wi-Fi and mobile data can interrupt ad loading, which often triggers crashes inside reward-based apps like this. Finally, if nothing works, check if the app is down temporarily. These apps sometimes have server-side issues that no fix on your phone can solve. Waiting a few hours and trying again can make it work normally again. To sum it up, most Giraffe crashes come from outdated web view, corrupted cache, or battery restrictions. Updating system apps, clearing data, and reinstalling fixes the majority of cases. Start with the WebView update first, then move step by step. If it still crashes after a full reinstall, it's usually a server issue, not your phone. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick fixes for reward apps and Android issues.